this is how I'm going to show you. From today going, you are going to know how to fix it yourself. This is why we tell the truth but nothing. So please kindly subscribe this channel and click the notification bell to stay updated. And let's start the show. I have bought a new handle which is new right now here, and I'm gonna use it and show you the procedure step by step how to fix it correctly. With that, thank you. I have my screwdriver here, and I have my Philister here with me, and this is what I'm going to use it to remove some lockers. So first of all, you have to remove this locker by bringing this ruler down. You have to pull it a little bit, locker there, so you just push it, then okay. So it's fixing here like this, and this is how I have to remove this cover. There's a tiny screw inside there, which you also gonna bring it down for you to bring this cover before you can get access to change the opener, the broken one. Okay, so it has also been done. Then I have to remove this cover so that I can be able to bring this down. Then lastly, there is a screw here inside. This is a small litter box which I have to lose it so that I can be able to bring it down as quickly as that. Okay, then we are good to go. So you just have to pull it back, one locker, two locker, then it's as simple as that. So this is how you move it. Get to the second phase of the work, which you have to pull this rubber like this, then inside carefully, you know how to handle this thing. And what the glue is behaving, I can manage to do it. So there we go. Until you get it, you have to bring all this thing down. This is the last one I'm supposed to lose. And inside there is another screw in there, so let me try a little bit. It has been loose, and because of this locker it was not able to come down like that. So this screw inside there which hold everything on my shape. Okay, so at the back here now I can able to remove this cover. Okay, this is the back cover, so I have to place it here, and then let me quickly remove this so that I can be able to fix it for you to see. Okay, so by removing this locker, you have to then go back and to pick this up. Okay, I pick it up, then hold this thing correctly to bring it. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay. We are going to fix the new one. Okay, let me pull up. So it has been fixed. Okay, so it has been fixed, and this is how it is. Okay, before I can able to man this thing, the main lock. Okay, now it's firmly was it. This is the last thing to do, which I'm going to do now by fixing it. Okay, it has entered. Then I have to screw it. It's almost done, and please subscribe to my channel to get all this amazing information. Share this video, like, and let's hear your voice by comment in the comment box so that we can help you in any area. It's all about mechanical tips, and Eric Auto Center is here to teach you how to fix your car. That is the deal. You got it, man. So let's try it. It's gonna open. It's a new handle. What else? I have to fix the lock. The lock has been fixed. It's like that, and I'm going to box it. So I quickly have to fix all things back, which I don't need to forget this. I have to fix it back. Also, I have to mount it so I can be able to put the cover. Mechanical day and mechanical tips. I'm doing it from Eric Auto Center worldwide, the nation's mechanic, and that is how we do it. So guys, I'm tightening it by covering, and then the work is done. It's a simple method to fix it wherever you are. Not only a technical man, but you do it yourself, and with this procedure you can be able to mount it. So you have to fix the cover pack or dust protection, and you are good to go. What next we do is that okay, so the cover is here. Got it. That's entered. So one-time locker, and good to go. As simple as that. And you have to fix the locker bag. Okay. Fixing it back, you need to lock it, and then just use it as this. You tap it, it has been locked, and we are good to go. So what next? There is a mistake here, which I have to remove this mount before. So it's a very important, and I have to mount it like this before I can really fix it. The last three, this is how you wanna fix it. Wherever you are with my procedure and my tips, I'm able to guide you could do it yourself.